You are bound to have issues, at least when it comes to building your first setup. As you guys can see here, this is the setup that I just built. Dual monitor, 5070, 32 gigabytes of DDR5, and it has some issues. The biggest issue that I have is actually with the PC itself. As you can see with the white wire that is not glowing, that is an issue. It is supposed to be an RGB wire that glows just like how the GPU wire is, this one right here. However, it is not glowing. And the second thing, which I'm sure you guys can see right here, is this wire was too big. So I zip tied it together, and you can very obviously see the zip tie. Ignoring all the other dandy wires and all the wires that are on my motherboard itself that creates this ugly aesthetic, this is still my PC. It is still a good PC, and I feel like these issues are what makes it mine. Another thing, which is probably more obvious, is my wiring catastrophe. These wires aren't in my way, but all of these jumbled wiring, it's got to go. It's bad, and yeah, it's horrible. But this is my first PC I've ever built solo. This was all by myself, so of course there was going to be some issues, and I built this whole setup by myself. So even though there's a lot of issues, and even though there are a lot of the things that I can improve on, I will improve on them over time. But in the meantime, if you build your first setup, you are bound to have issues. So don't be embarrassed by it.